name is Takshita Shinde. Today's date is 20 June 2024. Today's topic is data types in Java. In Java, data types specify the types of data variable can hold. Java's data types can be categorized into two main groups: primitive data types and reference types, means non-primitive data types. Data types is a programming defined kind of data that can be stored and manipulated within a program. They determine the operations that can be performed on the data and the way it is stored. Here are the main data types commonly used in programming. Primitive data types. Java provides 8 primitive data types, which are divided into 4 categories based on the types of data they can hold. Detailed with example and use cases. Primitive data types: integer. Description: represents whole number without the fractional part. Example: -10, 0, 42. Use cases: counting atoms, indexing array and loop counter. Floating point. Description: represents real numbers with a fractional part. Example: 3.14 minus 0.001. Use cases: scientific calculation, graphical processing, financial computations. Boolean. Description: represents the value that can be either a true or a false. Example: true or false. Use cases: conditional statement, flags in algorithm. Characters. Description: represents a single character. Example: single quote in A3. Use case: text processing, input validation. String. Description: represents a sequence of character. Example: in double quote, hello world. In double quote, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use cases: storing and manipulating text, user input and file path. Integer type: byte, 8 byte signed whose complement integer. Range: -128 to 127. Int, short, 16 byte signed whose complement integer. Int, 32 bytes signed whose complement integer. Log, 64 byte signs whose complement integer. Floating point. Float, 32 byte 32 byte stored. Floating point. Double, 64 bytes stored. Character type: char, 16 byte Unicode character. It can be represents any character from the Unicode character set. Boolean type: Boolean represents true or false values only. Reference data type: reference data types are used to store reference memory address to the object. They do not store the actual data. Instead, they hold reference to the where the data is stored in the memory. Reference data type includes class type. These are the user-defined data types created using the class keyword. Array types. These holds multiple values of a single type, which can be of any data types, including primitive types or other reference type. Integer interface type. This defines the set of methods that a class must implements. Primitive data types: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. They holds values directly. Reference type holds reference objects and array, allowing complex data structures and interaction within objects. Understanding these data types is fundamental in Java programming, as it determines how data is stored, manipulated, and used within your programs. Such data types have a specific range, store requirements, and behavior which are crucial for the writing efficient and correct Java code. Today we are dividing into a world of the Java data types. Imagine you are building a house, type of house, server, a specific purpose, just like data type in Java helps to organize and use the data in our program. That's all about the data type. Thank you.